Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play.
Hello everyone, welcome to Anointed Lady TV, the home of news and politics. If it is your first time in this channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you like what we do on this channel, hit on the subscribe button, also put on the notification bell so you'll be notified by YouTube anytime we drop a new video. And if you are returning subscribers, thank you very much for always coming back to watch our videos. On this platform, we drop videos every day and we react to every video that come our way. And on this very video, I will be watching with you. And after watching, let's go to the comment section and drop our opinion constructively. Like our videos and also share our videos if possible. See you next time in my next video.
Ever since Governor El-Rufai left office as Kaduna State Governor, he has not been having it easy with criticisms. And to be fair, he deserves all the criticisms he's getting. Now, the Middle Belt Forum have come out. They said in his 8 years in Kaduna, he reduced the state to Nigeria's headquarters for kidnapping. Headquarters for kidnapping. Yes. Now so then talk am. But before I break that down, let me quickly show you how great the extraordinary governor is doing. The only governor of Labour Party so far, Governor Alex Otti of Abia State. Now, former governor of Abia State, Ikpeazu, left behind arrears in the tune of billions. It's hard to believe, but they said some people have gone about 30 months without salaries. People are being owed up to 30 months salary arrears. 30 months, that is the height of wickedness. It means you want the person dead. But now, Governor Alex Otti has come out to say that he will commence paying the salary arrears by the end of this month, June. See as the papers take reporter. Abia State Governor Dr. Alex Otti has reassured that the state government will begin payment of salary arrears owed workers by the previous administration by the end of June. This is as the governor explained that forensic audit of workers had begun to ascertain the actual number of workers in the state. I must assure you that we will deal with them. By the end of this month, we will start paying confirmed salary arrears. Oh, this is the kind of leadership we are talking about. One person owed debt in the tune of billions. Another person come now. He never even spent reach 2 months. He's clearing the salary arrears. Exemplary leadership. The kind of leadership when Nigerians they find will make them they clamor for His Excellency Peter Obi. And Nigerians, even people from other states, couldn't hold back their joy and how pleased they were with Alex Otti's performance so far. Look at some of the tweet reactions to that news. And this tweet said, "This is the real definition of letting the poor breathe and not suffocating them by owing them their small salaries that they are managing. Let other governors learn from him. Well done, sir." And this one said, "This is liberation of India Abia." And this tweet said, "Ikpeazu is evil. How can someone work for 30 months without salary? God have mercy." I'm telling you, the thing shocked me too. 30 months without salary. If they carry this kind Ikpeazu go court, he should be tried for murder. Because now kill, he won't kill them. Now this tweet said, "Thank God, Abians finally free from bondage, stagnation, backwardness, and bad road. Alex Otti, we trust your leadership." Yes, that's one of the dividends of the obedient family. Yes, now we make it happen. And this tweet said, "Action governor, don't be like our talking governor, Soludo." Soludo collects stray bullets on top the matter. It's terrible what our governors do in this country. 30 months of work without pay? My God. Now, on to the issue of former Kaduna State Governor, the midget El-Rufai. The Middle Belt Forum of Nigeria have come out and asked the security agents to pick up former governor of Kaduna State, El-Rufai, for questioning. They said it is no longer news that the man is a bigot and that during his time, he turned Kaduna State into headquarters of kidnapping. See as the papers take reporter. Abuja North Central Regional Group Middle Belt Forum MBF yesterday described the immediate past governor of Kaduna State, Nasir El-Rufai, as a dangerous politician and asked the Department of State Service DSS to invite him for questioning in view of recent Islamization comments credited to him. There is no doubt that this former governor remains a clear present and future danger to the unity of our nation. He is subtly working for a group that is unremittingly and persistently poised at installing the supremacy of the Islamic faith in the corridor of power. The MBF further said, the unfortunate comments by this bigot, who is erroneously thought of as a nationalist and public intellectual, portray him as a divisive leader who not only thrives in creating chaos, but also review him as an irredeemable religious extremist whose antecedents as a governor showcase him as a treacherous enemy of Nigeria that must be barred from the corridor of power. Chai! Make them they attack him like this. Let it be clear that we know who this man is. And they shouldn't just stop by talking. They should take actions. Yes, we don't want to see this man in the corridor of power because this man is a wicked religious bigot whose only concern is ethnic cleansing and to fight the people of other faiths. And the amazing thing is that when you come to the comment section of this update, everybody agreed with what the Middle Belt Forum said. I have never seen an update that didn't have a single dissenting opinion. Everybody just agree, say the man na evil man. Look at some of the tweet reactions to the update. This tweet said, by their actions we shall know them. An apple doesn't fall far from its tree. What the man represents is what you witnessed in his time. Chai! And this tweet said, the man not only reduced the state to kidnapping headquarters, but also supervised ethnic cleansing in some parts of the state. This man. This one said, very, very disheartening. I wish Kaduna people will pay him back for the evil. And this particular tweet said, the ethno-religious cleanser, animal in human clothing. Chey! This one said, El-Rufai is the kingpin of kidnapping and killings in Kaduna. Why Hope Uzodinma in Southeast? Chai! Hope Uzodinma collects stray bullets there. And this tweet said, El-Rufai and Buhari were too dangerous to be leaders. I totally agree. I totally agree. Those two men not supposed to lead at all because the bigotry and the fanaticism they show like this for their eyes. And look at how terrible the state of things were when they were in office. God forbid. What kind of evil man is this man, El-Rufai? Now he turned himself into this kind of evil, I've been a so God created him. It beats my imagination that a man can be so callous. When you think of other people, you think of other religions, other ethnic groups, all you think of is how to hurt them. 80-90% of the indigenes of Southern Kaduna attribute the tragedy that they went through in the last 8 years to this man. And you are comfortable to come out and still make that video to talk about Muslim ticket. And the gullible ones who follow you thinking you are a champion of the faith, they don't know that the same Muslim ticket that is making you a billionaire, now that same Muslim ticket, now in them they under that, and they are still wallowing in abject poverty and squalor. And in other news, Wike and Akpabio, you know, say when person to the talk, cho. While Wike was running his mouth during his Thanksgiving service, I don't know who he's giving thanks to. Whether or not God you they give thanks to after you have deprived the people of their will, after you have hurt your own people, you can't come say they do Thanksgiving service. While he was running his mouth during the service, he said in 2015 when he contested, God's will Akpabio, the current Senate president, gave him 200 million naira, making him take do campaign. You know, say while he's trying to exonerate himself, he they put Akpabio for problem. Now Akpabio quickly come out today, come they talk say the 200 million naira wey he give Wike no be from Akwa Ibom state money. because there are still heavy corruption charges hanging on Akpabio's head. He never deal with them finish. Na him Wike kuku confirm am. Say he give am 200 million for 2015. Kai, this man can scatter everything. Now so APC tell am say that they find 25% for Rivers State. He carry the state, give them, say na them win. Now it's one of the evidence where Labour Party they use for court against APC. That's why he's running from pillar to post, begging for appointment. Because waiting him do for APC self no be help. He just indicted them. And talking about court, today is another day in court for His Excellency Peter Obi and his team of beautiful, intelligent, magnificent, and extraordinarily hardworking lawyers. Una see as it happened yesterday.
Ladies and gentlemen, good day, my brothers and sisters, my mummies and my daddies over there. Is your sister again, your doctor, your friend, your girl, Anointed Lady TV. Please, if today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please do subscribe for me. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video, you will be notified. So in this my channel, I will be bringing up many things to you in which you will benefit from it. I do talk show, I do news, anything you want to talk about, I am into it. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video or each time I'm on live on YouTube, you will be notified. Thank you very much for always being there for me. Please do subscribe for me, and as you do so, God will richly bless you and meet your heart desire. Thank you very much. I love you all.